Make money with ebooks by selling them online. Did you know that you can make money on ebooks even if you are not a writer? Ebooks are digital products that are commonly offered by companies or websites as their lead magnets. The last couple of years have been an eye-opener for most of us. The way people do things has changed significantly. The way we shop, the way we collaborate with our team, the way we communicate with our loved ones, the way we search information, the way we read, and even the way we earn money. It has opened our eyes that, hey, I can make money online without having to go to the office or a store, and without investing in physical products to sell. So, if you are looking for a way to gain an extra source of income, I highly recommend selling digital products. In this video, I will show you one of the ways to do that. Brace yourselves as I uncover the secrets on how to make money with ebooks by selling them online. Where to buy ebooks? So, I mentioned early on that you can sell ebooks even if you are not a writer yourself. That's because there are places where you can purchase pre-written ebooks that you can readily sell to your followers. 1. Fiverr. The first one is Fiverr. It is a freelancing marketplace where freelancers post the services they want to sell, and some of them also offer their ebooks here. In Fiverr, you can find ready-made or made-to-order ebooks that you can purchase for as low as $5. 2. eBay. You may know eBay as a platform where you can buy and sell products. What you may not know is that some sellers here also offer ebooks and other digital products. Search the platform and you will find ebooks that provide resell rights for only 99 cents. 3. Resell rights weekly. Finally, if Fiverr has $5 ebooks and eBay has 99 cents, in resell rights, you can download ready-made and resellable ebooks at zero cost. Yes, it is absolutely free. All you need to invest in is a little of your time and effort. No excuse not to earn, right? Where to sell ebooks? Now that you have downloaded your ebooks from the websites above, you might be wondering where you can sell your products. 1. Fiverr and eBay. Remember how you bought your ebooks from Fiverr and eBay? Just switch gears, so instead of being the buyer, you are now the seller of those products. When customers order through your gigs or store, you just need to upload the ebook and send it to them. 2. Etsy. Etsy is most commonly known for being a marketplace for handmade items and craft supplies. But, did you know that Etsy also has features that streamline the selling of digital products? In fact, when you post your listing, you would also have to upload the ebook right there and then. So, when someone purchases the product, they can just download it immediately. It basically becomes a passive income stream for you. 3. Warrior Plus. In a nutshell, Warrior Plus is a marketplace dedicated to people who earn a living by selling online money-making products. Here, you can have access to thousands of people looking for online marketing products and leverage the traffic generated by the site. And, Warrior Plus also has a community of members who have followers and emails lists. Every day, they are looking for products that they can promote to their followers as an affiliate. 4. Payhip. If you feel you are ready to take your business to the next level, then maybe it is time to create your membership site through Payhip. Gather all your ebooks in there, update your collection every month, and charge your members a subscription fee to gain access to your database. With Payhip, you can set up your membership website for free. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful and informational videos and tips to help you create great ebooks and lead magnets to increase your business. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.